Ignoring geology? Garbage in? Uncapped? Check. Let's fix this report, shall we?
Welcome to News About Geology. Today, we are digging into a digital revolution that is shaking the very foundations of geoscience. We're talking about how technology is completely changing the game for finding valuable mineral resources. A real shift from picks and shovels to Python and predictive models.
So let's start with the fundamental challenge. Every single exploration project kicks off with this massive question. You've got these data points from drill holes scattered across a map. So how do you connect those dots and turn that sparse information into a solid 3D model of what's hiding underground? And maybe more importantly, how do you decide if it's even worth mining?
And that really brings us to the geologist's core challenge, getting from those individual data points to a complete digital deposit. This whole process is called mineral resource estimation, and this is really where the geology meets the economics. It's this critical mix of hard science and, let's be honest, some tough financial forecasting to figure out if a project has a future. Getting this right is absolutely everything. Now, for decades, the tools to do this kind of heavy lifting were locked away behind some seriously high paywalls. The software was powerful, no doubt, but it was also exclusive. This created a huge barrier to entry for students, independent geologists, and smaller companies. But that entire landscape is changing, and fast. And it's all thanks to the open source revolution, a movement that's putting incredibly powerful tools into everybody's hands.
And the difference is, well, it's a total game changer. We're moving from this closed-off, expensive model to one that's wide open. And, it's not just about the software being free. It's about transparency and flexibility. Geoscientists can finally look under the hood, see how the algorithms actually work, and tweak workflows to fit their unique geological puzzles.
And would you look at the ecosystem that's blossomed from this? We're not talking about one or two niche programs here. This is a complete professional-grade digital toolbox. From mapping your data in QGIS to building complex 3D models with GemPy, geologists have everything they need right at their fingertips, and it costs nothing.
This image right here, it just says it all. Just a few years ago, if you wanted to create a beautiful, complex 3D model like this one, you'd be looking at thousands of dollars in software licenses. Today, because of these amazing open source projects, this level of visualization is accessible to anyone with a computer and the drive to learn.
Okay, so let's take this one step further. We're actually moving beyond just clicking buttons in a program to writing the code that can literally shape our understanding of the Earth.
Now, here's where it gets really exciting. This is a massive leap in creative power. Instead of being stuck with a software's preset workflow, geologists can now write their own solutions using Python or R. Think about it. Custom models tailored to your specific deposit, automating all those repetitive tasks and plugging directly into the cutting-edge world of data science.
A movement like this doesn't just happen on its own. It's fueled by incredible educators and experts like Professor Michael Pers. His personal mantra, making educational content accessible and actionable, is helping build this amazing global community of data-savvy geoscientists.
And the spirit of sharing means you can learn directly from the experts. For example, if you want to see how to use these tools in a practical, hands-on way, you should definitely check out the YouTube channel from PGO Ricardo Valls. He's got some fantastic tutorials.
And this is where things get truly transformative. When you combine all this open source power with the flexibility of coding, you get the perfect launchpad for the next frontier, machine learning. Machine learning is finding its way into pretty much every field, and geoscience is no exception. Calling it the new electricity might sound a little dramatic, but honestly, it captures the incredible power these algorithms have to find patterns in data that were completely invisible to us before.
So here's the bottom line. Geological data is messy. It's full of complex, nonlinear relationships, like twisted ore bodies or unpredictable fault lines that just don't follow a simple pattern. Well, machine learning thrives in that complexity. It can spot insights that traditional methods might miss, and it can do it faster, giving geologists a powerful new lens to understand what's really going on down there.
This whole digital transformation, it's not just about the software or the algorithms. It's really about people and an exciting new way of working together.
Seriously, we are living in an incredible era of collaboration. A geologist in one part of the world can share a piece of code that helps another geologist on a totally different continent solve a problem. This kind of open exchange is making innovation happen faster than ever before.
And that's why this is such a big deal. This community empowers everyone. It provides resources and practical knowledge that lets students and seasoned professionals keep learning, adapting, and leveling up their skills. It's really leveling the playing field for everybody.
And that spirit of open knowledge and community is what we're all about here. So if you are interested in these subjects, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment, and share this channel with your friends.
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? With this powerful digital toolbox now open to everyone, what's the next great geological puzzle we're going to solve? Until next time, keep exploring, and thanks for watching News About Geology.
Welcome to my channel, where you'll find over 2,000 videos on geology, geochemistry, AI, and many other subjects. If you like what you see, help us grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.